Hey, what's up, y'all? This is JM Mill, TradeMode.co, CEO. And if y'all looked from earlier, you know, let's do something different. Let's not even talk about the candlesticks. What if we just focus on the moving averages? Just the movement of these moving averages. This thick blue moving average right here crossing with this orange moving average. You know what I mean? Now I just got home from the gig, whatever, right? I've been home for a while, whatever. And I should have got out the trade bar right here, took that as profit and get right back in going this way, right? But as you see, I'm still up. I still doubled my account. So imagine what it had to be up higher. Like if I'm up right now, 400 right here from here to here. Imagine when it was about right up in here. You know what I'm saying? Had to be way high, probably another couple of hundred or maybe another hundred. See what I'm saying? But look, that's just from one trading session. Look, if you watch the other video, I got it from here to here on the 1 minute time frame. That mean the hours just went up like that. I mean, there's probably a down trade right now going on. And if you watch the other video, I was talking about that. Look, the price went up for a few hours, and it's finally going down. On the 1 minute, the algorithm that you saw, which is this algorithm, is equivalent as if it was the hour time frame. You see how the price went up with these two moving averages, then started going down right up in here. Look what's going on with the 1 hour. Same thing right up in here. More proof that this trading strategy works and it always repeats itself. The price was over, the blue moving average was over, this orange moving average, the price went up, you kept the trade open until it was no longer over the trade. You see right here how like it would be you would be getting out the trade later. You see what I'm saying? But based on the 1 minute time frame, you would have been out that trade a long time ago because it crossed over here. And based on the 1 hour time frame, it hasn't even crossed over yet. See what I'm saying? That's why I say trade based on the 1 minute time frame. Once you purchase this strategy, you will learn how to trade this crossover strategy, when to get in perfectly and when to get out perfectly. Okay. Also, it comes with an alert. So if you are at home, you know, you don't have to be in front of this computer screen. When this moving average, the blue moving average cross under this moving average, it's an alert gonna come on. It'll tell you the perfect time to take this trade. And as you see, well, I wouldn't say this doubled the count. This is 250, but it's almost quite double for real if you think about it. You know what I mean? Because what for? It'd be 500. It was doubled earlier, but you see what I'm saying? I could literally and look, I could literally stop this trade probably and get right back in as a sell, but I wouldn't do that because it might go up at the time. I should have got in there, but 9 times out of 10, the price is gonna keep going down. But this is just more information. You know what I mean? And remember earlier, I told y'all this is the same way. If I was to go to anything basically with this algorithm I showed you earlier on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, uh, things like that. You can go to my trading channel that I just accidentally X'd out. Right here, you can go to my trading channel. You can see all my videos talking about, this strategy. Is so simple. Eventually, eventually, man, everybody watching this stuff, they're gonna have opportunity to become successful. You kind of wasting your time by not doing this. Look, now you see, let me show you something. This is something else you guys need to consider. All right. You see this software, right? This company has a company they offer prop firm services. So a prop firm is a company basically is a broker that'll give you opportunity to trade that money. Cost Sway funded. Okay. Let me log in. Let me sit there. Let me log in with this real quick so I can show you. All right. And let me show you what they offer. So imagine I'm trading this same trading strategy. Okay. And this company gives you the opportunity to make money with them. If you could prove to them that you can make money trading the same strategy with them, they'll give you opportunity. Now look, Liquid Charts Pro, right? Watch this. I'm gonna go to start challenge. Watch this. Show you something. Liquid Charts. That's exactly what they use. It's the same stuff. The same stuff that I'm using with the alert system thing that they offer, y'all. Okay. And I told you price was probably still going down, right? I could have took this. Matter of fact, let me stop this trade just to show you all what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna take this as a sell. All right. Probably wasn't the right time to take this as a sell. You know what I mean? You usually want to get in when the crossover is in effect. But I'm just showing you all this because based on the direction the price showed that it's going. Even though it wasn't the best thing to do, it's something that you shouldn't do. I just did it to do it. You know what I mean? But if I keep this trade open long enough, the price is going to be in profit right up in here. Okay. And as you see, this strategy works because the price is not going up. It's fluctuating up a little bit, but it's really going down. You can see it's going down. Remember what the other videos taught you? When this moving average is underneath this other moving average right here, the price goes down. You feel me? Yeah, it's that simple, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So look, the price is going down. And when I say going down, that means it's just going into profit mode, okay? But enough of that. I should have been got out there. I should have gotten in this trade from here to here. But as you see how it's going down, eventually it's gonna go into green. And you don't I didn't do any measuring. You see what I'm saying? I didn't do any support and resistance. I didn't do any trend lines. I'm just following the moving averages, right? Now look. Look. A regular phase. If you can trade, if you can follow this simple look, I'm in profit, y'all. And you see why I took this trade, right? Because the moving average is going that direction, right? Imagine you got $500 and you know how to trade, and they'll give you $100,000 of money to trade. If you can continuously trade the way I'm trading, you've seen the strategy is very simple. I'm giving you all a simple strategy. This strategy is not hard. You see what I'm saying? The strategy is not hard. And it's the same company that offers this brokerage right here. And you see, I'm in profit already based on the same thing I told you. I didn't do any guessing. I'm not doing any stressing. I'm just following the overall direction. No stressing, no guessing. Just follow the direction. That's simple. Like I always say at the end of these videos, what more can I say? And trust me, I'm gonna be doing one of these soon. Trust me. A prop firm will pay you up. And look, you could choose. Right now they offer 80-20 split. You can take a 90-10 split. It's like they doing it for free at the time. They got some promotions going on. But this shit not hard. So, like I always say, I'm never gonna share the money. I'm just showing, the opportunity. I'm never gonna share what I'm making. When I start making this money for real, you're not gonna know, you know. But as you see, I'm in profit and you ain't see me shit. I ain't do any measuring. Shit, I ain't do any measuring. You didn't see me do any measuring. I didn't do any support or resistance. Like I'm saying, this shit easy as hell. So this is Justin at Trade Mo.